Welcome to a symphony of senses, entering the world of street food. The sizzle of grilling meat, the aroma of spices dancing in the air, the vibrant colors of fresh produce. Street food markets are a feast for the senses, a delicious assault that awakens your inner foodie. Imagine yourself stepping into a bustling marketplace in Bangkok. The air is thick with the scent of lemongrass, chilies and coconut milk. Vendors expertly maneuver their walks, flames leaping up to kiss the ingredients. Travel to Mexico City, and you'll be greeted by the aroma of sizzling carnitas and the tangy scent of lime. Vibrant murals adorn the stalls, adding to the festive atmosphere. In Istanbul, the scent of roasting lamb and freshly baked bread fills the air, beckoning you to taste the treasures of Turkish cuisine. Every corner of the globe offers its own unique take on street food. From the savory crepes of Paris to the spicy curries of Mumbai, each bite tells a story of cultural heritage and culinary ingenuity. It's a world where humble ingredients are transformed into culinary masterpieces, often using time-honored techniques passed down through generations. Join us as we embark on a culinary adventure, exploring the vibrant world of street food and the passionate individuals who bring these flavors to life. Welcome to Mexico, a fiesta in every bite. Mexico's street food scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, textures, and colors. Each stall, each vendor, tells a story through their food, inviting you to experience a piece of their culture. It's a world where corn tortillas reign supreme, forming the base for countless culinary creations. These tortillas are made from masa, a dough crafted from ground corn, and are the heart of many beloved dishes. Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm, freshly made taco. The tortilla, soft yet sturdy, holds a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. The soft tortilla cradles tender, slow-cooked carnitas, their savory juices mingling with the tangy zest of lime and the fiery kick of salsa verde. Each bite is a harmonious blend of textures and tastes, a true celebration of Mexican culinary artistry. But Mexico's street food offerings extend far beyond the ubiquitous taco. The streets are lined with a myriad of options, each more tempting than the last. Elote, grilled corn on the cob slathered with mayonnaise, cheese, and chili powder, is a delightful combination of sweet, smoky, and spicy. The corn is charred to perfection, giving it a smoky depth that complements the creamy toppings. The creamy, spicy, and tangy flavors explode in your mouth, leaving you craving for more. It's a snack that embodies the bold and vibrant spirit of Mexican cuisine. For a refreshing treat on a hot day, look no further than aguas frescas. These drinks are a staple in Mexican street food culture, offering a cool respite from the heat. These fruit-infused beverages come in a rainbow of colors and flavors, from the vibrant pink of hibiscus to the cool green of cucumber and lime. Each flavor is a testament to the natural bounty of Mexico's fruits and herbs. Each sip is a burst of natural sweetness, perfectly quenching your thirst and invigorating your senses. It's like drinking in the essence of a Mexican summer. We spoke to Dona Maria, a kind-faced woman who has been selling elote from her street corner in Oaxaca for over 30 years. Her stall is a beloved fixture in the community, drawing locals and tourists alike. "My grandmother taught me this recipe," she shared, her eyes twinkling with pride. "It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations in our family. Each time I make elote, I feel connected to my roots and my heritage." "It's not just about the food," she continued. "It's about sharing a piece of our history and culture with everyone who takes a bite. That's what makes it special." Welcome to Thailand, where sweet, spicy, and savory collide. Thailand's street food scene is a symphony of flavors, a harmonious blend of sweet, spicy, savory, and sour. The streets come alive with the vibrant energy of vendors and food enthusiasts, creating an atmosphere that is both chaotic and exhilarating. From bustling night markets to street-side stalls, the aroma of fragrant curries, sizzling noodles, and grilled seafood fills the air, enticing locals and tourists alike. The sheer variety of dishes available is staggering, each one offering a unique taste experience that reflects the rich culinary heritage of Thailand. One dish that perfectly embodies the bold flavors of Thai cuisine is Pad Thai. This iconic dish is a staple in Thai street food culture and is loved by people all over the world. This stir-fried noodle dish is a culinary masterpiece, a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. The combination of soft noodles, crunchy peanuts, and fresh bean sprouts creates a delightful contrast that keeps you coming back for more. Soft rice noodles are tossed in a tangy tamarind sauce, then infused with the smoky flavor of wok charred tofu, the crunch of peanuts, the freshness of bean sprouts, and the heat of chilies. Each bite is a burst of flavor that dances on your taste buds. For a taste of something truly unique, venture beyond the familiar and try Gai Tod, Thai-style fried chicken. This dish is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of Thai street food vendors. Marinated in a blend of fish sauce, garlic, and pepper, the chicken is deep-fried to crispy perfection, resulting in a flavorful and juicy treat that will have you licking your fingers. The crispy exterior gives way to tender, succulent meat that is bursting with flavor. No trip to Thailand is complete without a taste of mango sticky rice, a dessert that embodies the perfect balance of sweet and savory. This beloved dessert is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Sweet, ripe mango slices are paired with glutinous rice cooked in coconut milk and sugar, creating a dessert that is both comforting and refreshing. The creamy coconut milk and the natural sweetness of the mango create a perfect harmony that is simply irresistible. Somchai, a street food vendor in Bangkok, shared his passion for Thai cuisine. His dedication to his craft is evident in every dish he prepares. Thai food is all about balance, he explained, expertly tossing a wok full of noodles. The skill and precision required to achieve this balance is what sets Thai cuisine apart. The perfect dish should have a balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, creating a harmony that is both delicious and satisfying. This balance is the essence of Thai cuisine, and it is what makes it so special and beloved around the world. As the sun sets and the night markets come alive, the streets of Thailand transform into a food lover's paradise. The vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the joyful chatter of people create an unforgettable experience that captures the heart and soul of Thai culture. Sharing a meal at a street food stall is more than just eating. It's about connecting with others, sharing stories, and creating memories. The communal aspect of dining is an integral part of Thai culture, and it is beautifully reflected in the street food scene. The skill and artistry of Thai street food vendors are truly remarkable. Each dish is prepared with care and precision, showcasing the vendors' expertise and passion for their craft. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, the street food of Thailand offers an adventure for your taste buds. It's a journey through a world of flavors where sweet, spicy, and savory collide in perfect harmony. Welcome to India, a kaleidoscope of flavors on every corner. India's street food scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, a reflection of the country's diverse culinary traditions. The streets are alive with the aroma of spices, the sizzle of frying pans, and the chatter of vendors and customers alike. It's a sensory overload that draws you in and invites you to explore. From the spicy chaats of Mumbai to the creamy biryanis of Hyderabad, every region in India boasts its unique street food specialties. Each dish tells a story of its origin, influenced by local ingredients, climate, and culture. The diversity is astounding, with each bite offering a new experience. One dish that perfectly embodies the explosion of flavors found in Indian cuisine is pani puri. This beloved street food is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, offering a delightful combination of textures and tastes. These crispy, hollow balls are filled with a tantalizing mixture of potatoes, chickpeas, chutneys, and flavored water, creating a burst of sweet, spicy, tangy, and savory flavors in every bite. The experience of eating pani puri is as much about the anticipation as it is about the taste, with each bite delivering a satisfying crunch followed by a flood of flavors. For a taste of something hearty and comforting, try chole bhature. This dish is a staple in North India and is loved for its rich, robust flavors and satisfying textures. This popular North Indian dish features fluffy, deep-fried bread served with a spicy chickpea curry. The combination of the soft, pillowy bhatura and the spicy, flavorful chana masala is a match made in culinary heaven. The bread, known as bhatura, is incredibly soft and airy, the perfect accompaniment to the rich and flavorful chana masala. Each bite is a comforting blend of textures and tastes, making it a favorite among street food enthusiasts. No exploration of Indian street food would be complete without indulging in the sweet delights of jalebi. This iconic dessert is a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth. These bright orange, crispy spirals are made from deep-fried batter soaked in sugar syrup. The process of making jalebi is an art in itself, with each spiral carefully crafted to achieve the perfect balance of crispiness and sweetness. The result is a dessert that is incredibly sweet and satisfying, with a delightful crunch that will have you reaching for more. The combination of the crispy exterior and the syrupy interior creates a symphony of textures and flavors that is simply irresistible. We met with Mr. Sharma, a street food vendor in Delhi, who has been serving his legendary chaat for over 40 years. His stall is a testament to the enduring appeal of traditional recipes and the love and care that goes into each dish. My recipes have been passed down through generations, he shared, his voice filled with pride. Each dish carries a piece of my family's history and our love for food. It's more than just food. It's a connection to my heritage. For Mr. Sharma and many other street food vendors across India, their food is a way to share their culture and traditions with the world, one delicious bite at a time.